Once again, I'm here with this beautiful jacket crochet cardigan, and it's really beautiful. If you see it closely and you make it, you will love it. It gives a really good look with any color you want to wear. Let's get started. You can use any color yarn you have. I have started with white. It's cream white and it's really beautiful. Then you will continue with the multicolor up to the level you reach. So get started. Make 5 chains. Chain 1, pull the balance loop. Chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. After the 4 chains, slip stitch on the first chain. Sorry, at the beginning I said 5, but it's 4 actually. Chain 1, chain 2, and make half double crochet inside the loop which you have. We'll be making 4 half double crochets. After 4 half double crochets, the first 2 chains is counted as first half double crochet and chain 1. We will make 1 more half double crochet 4 times. Chain 1, again half double crochets 4 times. I'm sorry if my camera has some problem. Sorry for this cut. Let's complete the 4th chain. 2, 3, chain 1. I think you'll get shortage of space here, but it does not matter. Just pull side by side the made crochets and you're done with it. And 4, again. Pull up a little, complete your 4 chains, chain 1, and slip stitch on the 3rd high loop, just like that. And in total we have 6 pieces of them. In total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces of them. Chain 2, and the sides which we had kept with 1 chain, we'll be working on those chains all the time, and the crochets will be left as the space. 2 half double crochet now, 3, chain 1. After 3 half double crochets, chain 1, and you will have to do 3 more half double crochets on the same lane. Every time you will make 2 half crochets in the same place for the corners. Sorry for that piece of hair. We will not make any chains, just jump around with the next one and make half double crochet. Yarn over and make your first half crochet. 2, 3, chain 1, half double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Again, no chain, nothing, continue with the next space. Okay, I have finished making all my lanes. Now chain 2, I'm on the next level. I have zoomed in, so sorry for the quality. 3, chain 1, 2, 3. That's like, if you can see, we have shapes there. Double crochet. And it's the space. Just make 1 half double crochet 3 times, that's it. You don't need to chain 1. No, actually, sorry. In the corners, we'll be making 2 half double crochets, and in the other spaces, we'll make only 1 triple half crochet. So means 1, 2, 3, and on the corner, we'll make 2. In the same hole, you'll make 2, how do I say, triplets. 2 triplets with 1 chain. So it's the corner, so I'm going to make 2. I'll chain 1 again. I'll make in the same loop 3 half double crochets. Again, I will be coming close to the corner, and I'll make 2 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 1, 2, 3, and again. 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, okay, I'm continuing making this one to get that corner. So start to get my corners. Slip a stitch to get that shape. Now you can see we have the triangles. We have the corners. Our roll work has been completed. We continue the same way. Chain 2. And make half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, again, half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, okay, half double crochet, 1, 3. Okay, I've noticed the corner yet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's great. Now I have the corners here. I'll be making 2 times. half double crochets with 3. Chain 1 and on the same place. That's getting good. Sorry for the camera problem. Again 1. If you are going to make 2 in every space, then you will have some problem of the curving. This is actually right now also curving, but it's not curving that much to make problem with crocheting. Okay, I'm almost on the corner. Finishing of this level, this will be the step 3. Crochet around. This is the last loop, 2 and 3. That's it. This is gonna look so beautiful. It has that little curving around. This is because you're adding up the shoulder area. If you can see, I have in the corners 2 triplets, but on the other side I only have 1. See, if you count it, it's looking very nice. It's making the shape now. It's looking very nice. I only have 1, if you can see. I have 2 in the corners and it's really looking beautiful, so it's not gonna make any problem. It will be looking very beautiful. At the end you will get with the result of the shoulder and the hands and the one part of the body. We need to make 2 pieces of the same shape, and this is the final result I have completed. All you had to do is make 2 triplets around the corners, and in all the other places make only 1 triplet, which will result in this shape. It's beautiful. It's really soft, cushy. It depends on the yarn you are using. I am using medium size yarn. So let's count how many it are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so I have 17 rows. According to the size I'm making this small size. This is a small size. Now we will use colors with this one to make it. I will start adding the colors in the next part. Thank you for watching. The link is in the description. Bye bye.